This is the Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament in Pampanga. Welcome to the 2023 to 2024 Delta Cup Elimination Round as we are live here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga for the game number 2 for our long weekend ball action. As we can see here, Kid Estalilla and the rest of the Angeles City Red Warriors hoping to get their 8th lucky win, and he will face off here CJ Delfino of Level Up LUBAO and the rest of the Level Up LUBAO basketball team. Our game at hand, Angeles City Red Warriors kontra Level Up LUBAO. Isang magandang umaga po sa inyo mga kabalen. Ako po ang inyong makakasama, Penelope Wilhelmina, para sa bakbakan ng mga 21 under na players po noong nagtapat sila ng Sinag Liga Asia 2001 Under Cup. At syempre po, pwede niyo po tutukan ang mga laro natin dito sa Delta Cup through our Facebook, Pampanga PIO. At syempre, pwede niyo rin po yan tutukan sa kanilang YouTube channel at Pampanga_PIO. At syempre, pwede niyo rin po yan tutukan sa Sinag Liga TV YouTube channel. As we can see here, tignan po muna natin kung nasaan na ba itong dalawang koponan na magtatapat ngayon sa ating team standing. As we can see here, the Angeles City Red Warriors sa bracket A ay nasa top seed pa rin, samantalang itong Level Up LUBAO ay nasa 7th seed, hoping to get their 4th win dahil nanalo po sila kahapon kontra sa Mabalacat 78-43, at itong Angeles City hoping to get their 7th lucky win with 0 losses. And coming up is the battle between Angeles City Red Warriors and Level Up LUBAO. Now I'm turning you over to Ram Valid for our starters of the game.
Good morning once again, Delta Cup fans, and we're coming to you live inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga. This is the Delta Cup Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament, presented to you by Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and powered by coverage partner Sinag Liga Asia. We're also live at Pampanga PIO FB page and YouTube channel. This is our second game, the battle between Angeles City Red Warriors and your Level Up LUBAO. And now let's meet the starting lineup for both teams. First, for your Angeles City Red Warriors. Starting at forward number 21, John Martinez. Also at forward number 31, Sam De Jesus. At center number 3, Pao Laguindano. At guard number 7, BJ Rojas. And also at guard number 22, Kid Estalilla. Angeles City Red Warriors is led by head coach John Ocampo. Assistant coaches Javier Cruz, Eric Malyari, and Earl Morales. Team manager Mr. Val Peña. Your Angeles City Red Warriors. And now let's meet the starting lineup for your Level Up LUBAO. At guard number 17, CJ Delfino. Also at guard number 22, Mark Manalang. At center number 29, Alan Danan. At forward number 2, Memang Pangan. And also at forward number 8, France de la Cruz. Head coach for Level Up LUBAO is James Allen de la Peña. Assistant coaches Bert Binuya, Mark Domingo, Dong Regala, and Marty Ocampo. Your Level Up LUBAO. Game officials charged in action, Anthony Galotera, John Banayan, and Dennis Escaros. This is your Delta Cup 2023
As here are starters for Angeles City Red Warriors, we have Rojas, Estalilla, Lacandano, Martinez de Jesus. At para sa panig ng Level Up Lubao, we have here Delfino, Manalang, Danan, Pangan, and De La Cruz. Let's see kung saan mapupunta ang unang ball possession. Possession goes to the side of the Angeles City. Estalilla, but nice pass. But a miss there. De La Cruz passes to Delfino. Back to Delfino. De La Cruz. CJ Delfino. Nice pass, but sa kabilang panig niya yun, napasa. Here, Kid Estalilla. The best player sa magandang laban kagabi against Apalit. Estalilla passes to Rojas. Rojas, no good, but the last touch there for Pau Lacandano. Ball possession for Level Up Lubao. Delfino to De La Cruz, pero nabitawan niya dun yung bola. Almost a jumper, pero pinasa niya yun. Nakuha yun ng Lubao. CJ Delfino. A blocking foul against CJ Delfino. As we take a look in here. First free throw is good for CJ Delfino. It's a 1 and 2 for CJ Delfino. Pangan, he missed a shot there. Ball stays with Lubao. 8 minutes and 45, 1-0 in favor of Lubao. Care of CJ Delfino in his free throw. Estalilla. Estalilla, but a block there. A nice defense for the side of Lubao, especially for Kid Estalilla. Need to stop this kid if you want to win this game. Estalilla passes to Martinez. Back to Estalilla, and an easy layup there for Pau Lacandano. Delfino. Delfino to Manalang. Manalang to Pangan. Pangan with that one-hand shot. And it's good for Manuel Pangan. Estalilla passes again to Pau Lacandano, but a steal there for the side of Lubao. It's an easy layup there for Franz De La Cruz. A timeout on the floor, 6-2, 7 minutes and 40 seconds. As we take a look here first, that easy layup for Franz De La Cruz, which makes our score 5-2, 7 minutes and 40 seconds. As we are now back 7 minutes and 40 seconds, as we can see here, Franz De La Cruz care of their last 2 points. Care of his layup in there. Rojas to Pau Lacandanum. Lacandanum, and a steal there for the side of LUBAO. Delfino. Delfino will magde-drive sana siya doon eh, but then he still draws a foul in there. A foul for Pau Lacandanum in the substitution for the side of Angeles City. Rojas for Jacob Baloria. One of the trusted guys of Coach John Ocampo yesterday on their battle against Apalit. Here, Estalilia. Estalilia to Lacandanum. Kinulang siya doon. Ball possession for the side of LUBAO. Delfino nagbababa ng bola. What a move there by CJ Delfino. A player for Pampanga Delta, last born 2001 Cup of the Sinag Liga Asia. Martinez. Martinez and a steal there for Manalang. Pass again to Delfino. But a foul there for CJ Delfino. Let's take a look here. This beautiful drive in there. A good layup for CJ Delfino. Ball possession for Angeles City. Estalilia. Who plays point guard right now? That good pass for John Martinez. Kitang-kita niya doon na libre tong teammate niya eh. We can see here Coach James Allen de la Peña of LUBAO. Delfino. Delfino passes it to Zita. Delfino. One hand there, no good. And here, Estalilia. What? Against the three, no good. Offensive foul there for Pau Lacandanum. As you can see here, Coach John Ocampo of Angeles City Red Warriors to take a look at this replay. Tumama siya dun eh. A substitution on the floor. Paul Lagman for Pau Lacandanum. Because it's early for Coach John Ocampo to have two fouls in the beginning of this ball game. As a jumper there for Franz de la Cruz. Already 4 points for this guy for this quarter. 5 minutes and 30, 9-4 in favor of LUBAO. Back to Estalilia. Estalilia passes it, and the three-point, it's good for the side of Angeles City. For Jacob Baloria. The selfless mentality of Kid Estalilia, he saw there Jacob Baloria. As we take a look in there, libreng-libre. This way, a three-point shot is good for Jacob Baloria. Martinez passes it to Baloria, no good. It's a jump ball. Still, the ball is in the hands of Angeles City. Martinez passes it. And the traveling violation on Sam De Jesus. Ball possession for LUBAO without CJ Delfino on the court. And a steal there for Sam De Jesus. Nice pass to Kid Estalilia. Estalilia passes it to Martinez. Martinez trying to drive. And a foul there for Paul. Rather, for Martinez. Lorico. Lorico, nice pass to Mark Manalang. And a three-point shot is good for Mark Manalang. 4 minutes and 2 seconds, 12-7 in favor of LUBAO. 5 ang hinahabol dito ng Angeles City. Kid Estalilia. Estalilia tries to drive, but he passes it to Martinez. And a block there. No steal there for the side of Angeles City. An easy layup for Mark Manalang. Baloria. Baloria back to Estalilia. Back to Estalilia again. To Paul Lagman. And he draws a foul in there. As we take a look at this beautiful and easy basket for Mark Manalang. 14-7, balik sa 7 ang kalamangan ng LUBAO. First free throw is good for Paul Lagman. One and two for Paul Lagman. The rebound there for the side of LUBAO. Lorico passes it. But a steal there for De Guzman. A beautiful layup there for De Guzman. 4 na lang ang hinahabol nila from 7 down to 4 with 2 minutes and 43 seconds. But a whistle there for Joe Marinacu. CJ Delfino back as we take a look at this beautiful move by John De Guzman. First free throw is good for Mark Manalang. 2 and 2 for Mark Manalang. As CJ Delfino checks in again for this 2 minutes and 42 seconds remaining for our first quarter. Baloria. Baloria passes it to De Guzman. De Guzman back to Baloria. Naku. A block there. But a put up there by De Guzman, by Paul Lagman rather, no good. CJ Delfino. Delfino, nice pass and an easy basket for John Zita. You know this guy, CJ Delfino, hindi lang siya scorer, he also plays and he also passes good to his teammates. Kapag nakikita niyang madaming libre sa mga teammates niya, he has a good eye and IQ inside the court. As we take a look on that pass from CJ Delfino to John Zita, makes it an easy layup for the side of LUBAO. 18-10, 2 minutes and 1. 8 points ang kalamangan dito ng LUBAO. As a jumper there is good for Jacob Baloria. Baba sa 6 ang kalamangan and a slip there from the pass of CJ Delfino to De La Cruz. A substitution on the floor, Alan Danan for Joshua Fajardo. Naku passes it to Estalilia. Estalilia from way downtown, no good. De La Cruz. He draws a foul in there against John Marie Naku. This is quite a good game. This level up LUBAO competing to the undefeated Angeles City Red Warriors in the bracket A as one. At that free throw is good for France De La Cruz. 1 and 2 for France De La Cruz, and a rebound for Paul Lagman. Valoria, nice pass. A jumper there for De Guzman. In and out. Rebound by John Zita. Zita passes to De La Cruz. Nice move there. And an easy layup for him. 21-12. $58 remaining. A foul for Jacob Valoria against CJ Delfino. As a substitution on the floor for the side of LUBAO, Manalang for Kenji Gonzalez. As the first free throw is no good for Jo Marie Naku. One and two for Jo Marie Naku. 8-point advantage, the biggest lead of the ball game as Delfino against Jacob Valoria. A foul in there for Jacob Valoria. He didn't expect that one. The substitution on the floor for the side of Angeles City. Valoria for Henson. As we can see here, a technical foul for Coach John Ocampo of Angeles City Red Warriors. If I'm not mistaken, yesterday on their game against Apalit, he also draws his first technical foul on the first quarter of the ball game. A free throw for De La Cruz. It's good for De La Cruz. 22-13. Siyamang kalamangan dito ng LUBAO. As a free throw for Delfino against the pushing foul earlier before the technical foul called on Coach John Ocampo. No good for CJ Delfino. Henson, almost a steal for CJ Delfino. Last touch doon, CJ Delfino. Henson passes it to De Guzman. De Guzman to Naku. Naku, no good. Kuha to dito ni France De La Cruz. Balik kay CJ Delfino ang bola. Passes it back to CJ Delfino. Nice pass there of CJ Delfino to Joshua. Fajardo. A foul there for Timbol. As we take a look here at the nice pass of CJ Delfino to Joshua Fajardo. CJ Delfino for Matthew Manalansan. First throw is good for Edward Timbol. 1 and 2 for Edward Timbol. A rebound there by LUBAO, but a putback there by Paul Lagman. But then kinulang na ng oras. You see here Paul Lagman quite disappointed on their last play. So take a look, our first quarter highlight. CJ Delfino, his beautiful move. An easy layup for him. This nice pass from Kid Estalilla and a three-point shot for Jacob Baloria. So take a look here, De Guzman, and his nice move there for an easy layup also for De Guzman. That pass from Delfino to Joshua Fajardo makes this 24-14 at the end of the first quarter. In favor of Level Up LUBAO. We are now back for the second quarter of this ballgame. 24-14. Sampu ang kalamangan here at the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga. As we can see here, the beloved mayor of LUBAO, Pampanga, at ang kapatid ng ating pinakamamahal na governor, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, and Mayor Esme Pineda, supporting, of course, her team, LUBAO. As an inbound here for Gonzalez. New faces here, in and out. Bench players here for the side of LUBAO. Humugot na dito si Coach James de la Peña. As here, Timbol passes it back again to Timbol. Naku to De Guzman. De Guzman, no good. Ball possession for the side of LUBAO. Lorico, nice fake. In and out. Sinke, back to Lorico. Lorico, no good. Gonzalez drives, and an easy layup for LJ Gonzalez. De Guzman passes to Baloria. Timbol rather. Henson draws a three. Ang layo nun, but no good. Lorico, three-point shot, no good. But a foul there for Joshua Fajardo against Jomari Naku. So you can see here Coach James Allen de la Peña of Level Up LUBAO. And a substitution on the floor. Martinez for Edward Timbol. Timbol back of the court. Dalawa yung bantay doon. Nilagman. And then inbound again for Angeles City. As Paula Quindanum is back again and Sam De Jesus. 8 minutes and 12, 26-14. Henson. Henson no good. Gonzalez. Gonzalez to Lorico. No good. Out of bounds, but it's in the side. Ball possession for LUBAO.
13 seconds.
Montemayor to Lorico. Lorico to Montemayor. Montemayor. No good for Kenji Gonzalez. But the jumper is good for Sean Lorico. The Guzman. Back to Henson. No good. And a fast break here. And an easy layup for Sean Lorico. 14 ang kalamangan dito ng LUBAO. Biggest lead of the ball game. As Kid Estalilia checks in again for this ball game. Estalilia to Laquindanum. Estalilia and a miss there. Almost a miss pass there. Good thing na tap yun. Kenji Gonzalez. As Ramil Balantad checks in. A much-needed 2 points from Paula Quindanum. 30-16. 11 pa din ang kalamangan dito ng LUBAO. 16. Nice block there by Paula Quindanum. Sabi niya, bola daw, but there's a whistle after that block. As Coach John Ocampo saying na bola daw. As we take a look at this replay here, Paula Quindanum. Kamay. Kamay yun eh, as we see on the replay. A free throw for Sean Lorico. 1 out of 2 for Sean Lorico. 15. Balik sa 15 ang kalamangan ng Level Up LUBAO. Biggest lead. Makes it 16. Biggest lead of the ball game with 6 minutes and 30 seconds. A nice pin there for Kid Estalilia, but he misses it. Sean Lorico. Lorico having his teammate screened. A nice pass there. Balantad. That jumper is good for Ramil. Balantad. 34-16, 18 na ang kalamangan dito ng Level Up Lubao as we take a look at that nice pass from Sean Lorico and an easy jumper, one-hand shot for Manuel Pangan, 34-16. As you can see here, the Team Angeles City Red Warriors, Paula Quindanum with Sam De Jesus. 6 minutes remaining for our second quarter, 34-16. As we see here, VJ Rojas. The jumper is no good for Rojas. But one thing that this Angeles City, that this Level Up Lubao should be scared of, ay hindi dapat sila magpakampante because this is very quite a good team. Especially you have Estalilia and a center, Paula Quindanum, Gonzalez. Pinato na lang Donnie Gonzalez. But a steal there for Level Up Lubao. Inbound for Angeles City. Estalilia. Hindi ko masyadong nararamdaman tong si Estalilia this first half. Compared on his performance last night. No good for Martinez in there. The shooting percentage of Angeles City is not on point for today's ball game. Kaya tinitake advantage to ng Level Up Lubao. Imagine, CJ Delfino is out of the playing court. Majority of the players na nasa loob ngayon ay coming off the bench. Estalilia, nice pen there. It's good for Kid Estalilia. 4 minutes and 35. 34-18 lamang pa rin po ang Level Up Lubao. Steal there, and a foul there for Sean Lorico. As we see here, Coach John Ocampo. Delfino checks in again, together with Mark Manalang. You know, with this kind of point advantage for Level Up Lubao, still a good thing na binalik nila dito si CJ Delfino dahil hindi nga sila pwedeng magpakampante given that Angeles City still have Paula Quindanum, you have here Sam De Jesus and Kid Estalilia. As that free throw is good for Jo Marinacu. VJ Rojas rather. Kala ko one yung jersey. Estalilia. A jumper, no good. But a putback there by Martinez. And it's good for John Martinez. Manalang for three, in and out. Estalilia passes to Martinez. And it's a good basket for John Martinez. 34-23. As we take a look here on the replay, Kid Estalilia to John Martinez. No block there for level up LUBAO. 3 minutes and 47 seconds. It's timeout on the floor. 34-23. 3 minutes and 47 seconds remaining. As we can see here, the beautiful faces inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center supporting, of course, from Angeles City. I can see them sitting behind the bench of the Angeles City Red Warriors. An inbound for level up LUBAO. 11 na lang ang kalamangan nila from 18 points advantage here. CJ Delfino, what will he do? He passes it to Martinez. Martinez passes it back, but a block there for Kid Estalilia. Now back to almost a pass there for Martinez, but still. But a pushing foul there against John Martinez. He didn't want that call. Nagrereklamo pa siya doon. Of course, as well as Coach John Ocampo, but he's still putting his mindset na okay na lang. Because he already got his first technical foul in the first quarter. See here, CJ Delfino. Delfino passes it to Manalang. Manalang for three, and it's good for Mark Manalang. (37-23) with 2 minutes and 57 seconds remaining. Kid Estalilia, that pass is good for Sam De Jesus. The connection of this, guys, is very quite on point for today's ballgame, kagaya ng laro nila kagabi. CJ Delfino. Delfino with two guards in there, but a pass there, no good, but a putback there for Joshua Fajardo. 14, balik sa 14 ang kalamangan, and a steal there for MJ De Leon. But a foul there for Joshua Fajardo. Estalilia to VJ Rojas. 39-25. Estalilia passes to Rojas. Rojas for three, and it's good for VJ Rojas. Balik sa 11 na lang ang kalamangan dito ng level up LUBAO. Delfino, a mispass there, the opportunity to make this lead down to the 1 point only. As a rebound there for Sam De Jesus. As VJ Rojas missed that one, Estalilia, and he draws a foul in there against Mark Manalang. 1 minute and 32 seconds remaining for this ball game. 39-28, 11 pa rin po ang kalamangan ng level up LUBAO. 1 out of 2 for Kid Estalilia. 29 to 39. 10 na lang po from 18 points. Ang kalamangan dito ng Level Up LUBAO. 2 out of 2 for Kid Estalilia. 1 minute and 30. 39-30 is our score. A nice move there. But it's a sorry miss for Sean Lorico. As we take a look at that nice move from Sean Lorico. One out of 2 for Paula Kendanum. 39 to 31. 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining for our second quarter. 2 out of 2 for Paula Kendanum. Here, Level Up LUBAO. Sean Lorico. Lorico passes it to Manalang. A 100 shot there for Manalang. It's good for Mark Manalang. So take a look in here. Estalilia. Estalilia passes it. And a steal there for Sean Lorico. VJ Rojas, a miss there. And a pass there again for Estalilia. Estalilia! Bitin yung layup niya doon. 34.9 seconds remaining. 41-32. From double point advantage, nababa na po ng Angeles City ang kalamangan nila to only 9 points with 30 seconds remaining for our first half. Lorico. Lorico, nice pass. But the jumper is no good. Sam De Jesus for the rebound. Pass to Estalilia. Estalilia passes it to Martinez. And foul there for Mark Martinez. John Martinez. .2 seconds remaining. Martinez on the free throw line. It's a miss for Martinez. Iniinda niya kasi dun yung braso niya Right, kanan niyang braso. Yun kasi yung natamaan sa kanya kanina. As 0 out of 2 for John Martinez. Manalang. Against VJ Rojas. Binato na lang niya doon kasi nakita niya na that there is no time left for them. 41-32. As we take a look at the second quarter highlights, that shot from Martinez. Here, this pass from Estalilia to Martinez again. An easy layup for him. The three-point shot from Mark Manalang. The second three-point shot. And here, that nice pass from Kid Estalilia to Sam De Jesus, his partner yesterday against their ball game. 41-32 in favor of Level Up LUBAO at the end of the first half. Kaya mga kabalen, kapit lang po dahil magbabalik kami para sa 2023 to 2024 Delta Cup. Yeah.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
pa rin po ay nakatutok sa ating Delta Cup 2023 to 2024 at natutong ang laban ng Angeles City Red Warriors kontra Level Up LUBAO 41-32 at the end of the first half in favor of Level Up LUBAO. As we can see here, the halftime highlights. A nice move there by the Guzman of Angeles City, and that nice pass from CJ Delfino. And here, another nice put back there by Kid Estalilia, and the three-point shot for Mark Manalang, and that pass from Estalilia to Sam De Jesus. 41-32, our leading scorers of the halftime. Paul from Angeles City Red Warriors, Paula Quindanum with 6, John Martinez with 6, and Jacob Baloria with 5. And for Level Up LUBAO, Manalang with 12, Franz De La Cruz with 8, and CJ Delfino with 3-point. And here, 41-32 again, as we can see here, the LUBAO, the Level Up LUBAO, and of course, pwede nyo pong tutukan ng ating Delta Cup 2023 to 2024 sa Facebook at Pampanga PIO. At syempre, pwede nyo rin po yung tutukan sa kanilang YouTube, Pampanga_PIO. At syempre, sa YouTube channel at Sinag Liga TV. Here, 41-32 na from 18-point advantage nung first quarter. Nababa ito ng Angeles City Red Warriors into only 9 points right now. As we can see here, what will Angeles City and Level Up LUBAO will do for the second half of this ball game. As an inbound for Level Up LUBAO, Delfino. Delfino, Manalang. Manalang, a first three-point shot for the second half. Care of Mark Manalang. Balik na naman po sa 12 ang kalamangan ng Level Up LUBAO. A jumper for Paula Quindanum. That's good for Laquindanum. Hindi siya masyadong naramdaman ni Coach John Ocampo for the first half of this ball game. 44-34. That one-hand shot for Allen Danan. Palitan ng puntos dito. No ball possession ang nasasayang for both teams. Martinez to Baloria, but a miss there for Paula Quindanum. And Estanilla raises his hand in there. Alam niya na. As we take a look on the replay, that nice pass from CJ Delfino and a one-hand shot for Allen Danan. One thing that Level Up LUBAO should be thankful of is they have CJ Delfino in them. This guy is an all-around guy for Pampanga Delta, last born 2001 Cup. Whatever Coach Governor Dennis Delta Pineda needs, he provides. And for this Level Up LUBAO, for this first half, hindi siya masyadong 3 points lang, but for his assist, I know for sure that he has a lot of assists for his teammates. See there, he passes it again to Allen Danan. That's what I'm talking about, how lucky Level Up LUBAO for having CJ Delfino on their side. As here, passes to Baloria. And that three-point shot is good for John Martinez. As here, the ball is back to CJ Delfino. Delfino, papasa niya dapat yun, but then a miss there. Martinez, a miss there, but a putback there by Jacob Baloria. It's a 3 versus 1 sa ilalim. Here, a pass there from Level Up LUBAO. Out of bounds. But a possession goes to Angeles City. An inbound for Angeles City. Kid Estalilia. Sorry, miss for him. CJ Delfino, 39 to 48, 7 minutes and 28 seconds. No good. Martinez. But a nice putback there by Alendana. Estalilia to Jacob Baloria. Jacob Baloria against CJ Delfino and Manalang. Almost a steal there. A miss pass there by Estalilia to Sam De Jesus. Delfino. Delfino sees Franz de la Cruz. Franz de la Cruz for 3. Medyo malayo yon. But a put back there. Pero hindi sa panig nila napunta. Kid Estalilia. Out of the line. Hindi niya in-expect yun. (50-39). 11 ang kalamangan dito ng level up LUBAO with 6 minutes and 34 seconds remaining for our third quarter. Delfino. Nice pass to Alendana. Almost a shot for him. Good thing for CJ Delfino na meron siyang sentrong kagaya ni Alendana. You know, it's a big point, it's a big advantage rather for LUBAO having Alendana against Paula Quindano. Jacob Baloria sees Kid Estalilia pero nakabantay sa kanya doon si Franz Cruz. Jumper is no good for Sam De Jesus, but a putback there and also a miss for him. CJ Delfino against the 3 defenders of Angeles City passes it to Manuel Pangan and a miss there. And a good shot there for Manuel Pangan, but he draws a foul. Defending. As we take a look at this replay, that pass from CJ Delfino, no look pass to Manuel Pangan, makes it an easy shot for Manuel Pangan. Kid Estalilia in the free throw line. Oh, out of 2 for Kid Estalilia. 2 for Kid Estalilia. It's very rare to see Kid Estalilia miss a free throw shot. But then as I mentioned kanina, hindi maganda din ang simula nito ni Kid Estalilia. A nice pass again from CJ Delfino. Almost a shot there for Alendana. His go-to guy for this quarter. A nice move there by Kid Estalilia. Nice pass to Jacob Baloria. Alam niyang kukulangin siya dun but he sees Jacob Baloria libreng-libre doon. And a miss pass there for Alendana. CJ Delfino, as we take a look at that nice pass from Kid Estalilia to Jacob Baloria, and that jumper is good for Baloria. You see there Sam De Jesus and John Zita as he checks in again for this ball game. Estalilia to Lagman. Estalilia, a block there. And CJ Delfino. A nice move there by CJ Delfino, but a miss for him. Paula Quindano. To Jacob Baloria, but a steal there from Franz de la Cruz. Hindi niya nasungkit yun. Paula Quindano. Lagman to Sam De Jesus, back to Lagman. A three-point shot for Lagman. No good. The ball is back in the hands of CJ Delfino. 4 minutes and 19 seconds. a fast game pace for our third quarter, 52-41.
Game ball. Shot clock is at 14 seconds on the shot clock.
And a whistle there, but kick ball. Still on inbound for Level Up LUBAO. 52-41, 11 pa rin ang nahabol dito. In and out! But a miss there by Jacob Valoria and a steal from CJ Delfino. Manalang. Manalang there, a nice move and a putback there by Manuel Pangan. One thing about Level Up LUBAO, if kahit alam nilang shooter yung mga teammates nila, a three-point shot from Kid Estalilia, no good. Franz de la Cruz against the two defenders of Angeles City. But he misses the ball in there. Jacob Valoria to Sam De Jesus. De Jesus! A three-point shot for Sam De Jesus. CJ Delfino. Delfino for three. No good. Paula Quindanum for the rebound. Kid Estalilia, Valoria. Valoria, nice pass to Lacandanum. Nice pass to Sam De Jesus. A nice move for CJ Delfino, but he didn't get a basket in there. And a nice layup for Kid Estalilia. But then, take a look here. Kasi pagkatapos ng drive na yun ni CJ Delfino ay ininda niya na agad yung tuhod niya dun eh. Hindi lang agad nakapito yung referee because the ball is in the hands, in the possession rather, of Angeles City. Pero iniinda niya yung tuhod niya dun eh. As we see here, Mayor Esme Pineda of LUBAO, Pampanga, of course, supporting Level Up LUBAO. As we take a look at the replay on what happened to CJ Delfino. Pagbabalang na talaga niya inintay. A good sign na natatayo ni CJ Delfino. But then nakatukod siya. This is now assisted by our medics. But it's a good sign to see CJ Delfino. He was able to walk it. As he's approached by one of the coaching staff. Level Up LUBAO. A possession for Level Up LUBAO. 2 minutes and 36 seconds. 54-46. What will Level Up LUBAO do without their all-around guy, CJ Delfino? Gonzalez passes it to Manalang. Manalang for three, no good. Still no good. And Paula Quindanum for the rebound. Valoria. But Estalilia was in there. Nice pass by Kid Estalilia. Lagman for three. No good. But Sam De Jesus is there for the rebound against the three defenders of Level Up LUBAO. But he draws. He got a foul in there against the three guys of Level Up LUBAO. But then his perseverance in there to get a basket, kahit tatlo yung nakabantay sa kanya doon. Valoria. Valoria to Gonzalez. Gonzalez, almost a miss, but there is Manalang. Manalang against Estalilia. Tumama yung sa gilid ng board, but a shot clock violation.
Shot clock violation.
For Level Up LUBAO. As we can see here, head coach James De La Peña. needs his other guys to step up. In the absence of CJ Delfino, as I can see here at the venue, that CJ Delfino is fine, walking perfectly fine right now. Let's see kung gagamitin siya ni Coach James Allen. What a fake there for Kid Estalilia. Akala ko ipapasa niya yun. But then a sorry miss for him. Pangan. To Montemayor. And the basket there for level up LUBAO. Baloria, 56-46 with 43 seconds remaining. 10 pa din ang inahabol dito ng Angeles City as Sam De Jesus draw a 3-point shot in there. Baba sa 7 ang kalamangan ng level up LUBAO with 26 seconds remaining. As Franz de la Cruz for a 3, no good. But a put back there for John Zita. 12 seconds remaining. Kid Estalilia. Paula Quindanum, Estalilia. Nice pass. Estalilia. Estalilia, one-hand shot. But it bounces out of the rim. You can see here Estalilia and Baloria showing a little emotion that they are already tired for this ball game as we see the third quarter highlights and pass of CJ Delfino to a one-handed Alan Danan shot and a 3-point shot from John Martinez. And look at here, John Delfino, the pass, CJ Delfino rather, that nice pass, no look pass, but also that pass of Kid Estalilia to Jacob Baloria in this one. Paula Quindanum to Sam De Jesus, and he knocks there a 3-point shot. From being down by 18 points now, the score is 49-58. Malaki pa din po ang hinahabol ng kalamangan dito. We will be back 49-58. (49-58). We are still live here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga. So you see here, level up LUBAO. Still no CJ Delfino. But then who will step up in the absence of the all-around guy, CJ Delfino? You know, for Coach James De La Peña, losing Delfino this ball game with only 9-point advantage here. As what I am talking about, VJ Rojas, tinitake advantage siya dito eh, yung absence ni CJ Delfino. Because when you have CJ Delfino in there, pressure ka talaga eh. Because sabi ko nga sa inyo, he's Mr. Everything of Coach Allen De La Peña, and of course, a former Pampanga Delta coming from Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. As a back-to-back points there for VJ Rojas. Wala pa tayo dito sa 1 minuto ng ating ball game. 4 na lang ang hinahabol dito ng Angeles City. And yung sinasabi ko, what will level up LUBAO do with the absence of CJ Delfino? As we take a look at this pass, VJ Rojas, nag-alangan siya on the 3-point shot, but the jumper is good for And here, what I am talking about earlier, Sir CJ Delfino is now back for level up LUBAO. Let's see kung magbabago ba ang kapalaran dito ng Angeles City. That jumper, no good. CJ Delfino. Delfino. And a foul, and he draws a foul in there. As we take a look at the replay. Rojas had a contact with Mr. Everything, CJ Delfino. Now, if you want to stop this guy, CJ Delfino, you have to put out the pressure. And there, a three-point shot from LJ Gonzalez. It's pretty quite sure, iba din talaga kasi yung nadadala na momentum neto ni CJ Delfino being veteran in this. But an answer there from John Martinez. Apat pa din ang hinahabol dito. You know, one thing I mentioned earlier dito for Angeles City, hindi dapat magpapakampante dito ang LUBAO eh. Because this is pretty quite a good team. There's a reason why they are still on the top seed of Bracket A and why are they still undefeated. Last night they battled with the veterans Isaac Danting of I Love Apalit, but still then, sa dikit na laban na yon, they won against Danting and Lendel Garcia. As a ball possession back for LUBAO, 7 minutes and 34 seconds. CJ Delfino against the 4 defenders. But a foul there for John Martinez. Imagine, from 18 points at the end of the first half, now 4 points. They took advantage of the absence of CJ Delfino in the third quarter and the start of this fourth quarter. Gonzalez against VJ Rojas. Rojas again against Paolo Quindanum. No good for Kenji Gonzalez. Rojas passes it to Martinez. Martinez draws a three, no good. A rebound there for the side of LUBAO. The ball is back at the hands of Mr. Everything, CJ Delfino. Delfino taking his time to put up their play. Delfino against Martinez and Laquindanum. And a block there by Paula Quindanum. Oh, but a steal there by CJ Delfino. A nice move there for CJ Delfino. 57-63. Let's take a look at the replay. That move from CJ after the steal, that layup there for CJ Delfino. An easy layup there for CJ Delfino. 6 minutes and 33 seconds, 63-57.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
As we are now back at the fourth quarter of this ball game, 6 minutes and 33 seconds. An inbound for Angeles City. Nakub passes it, no good. Naka-ready na doon si Kid Estalilla for a rebound and a putback, but then it bounces off the board. So you can see here, Coach John Ocampo. Gonzalez, Kenji Gonzalez back to CJ Delfino. CJ Delfino against VJ Rojas. And a three-point shot from Mr. Everything, but no good. And a putback there for Emmanuel Pangan. 65-57. Wala na naman ang inahabol dito ng Angeles City. VJ Rojas. Rojas passes it to Lacandano, but no good. A miss pass there. The ball is back at the hands of CJ Delfino. Delfino against Kid Estalilia. What a pass there by CJ Delfino to John Zita. The eyes of this guy is different. (67-57) with 5 minutes and 18 seconds. Let's take a look at this nice pass. It's everyone. Siguro iniisip ng iba that CJ Delfino throws it out of nowhere, but then his bright eyes saw John Zita sa ilalim na libreng-libre. Estalilia to Baloria. Baloria passes it. Salagado here, come up the bench. Naku passes it to Estalilia, and Naku! What a nice play for the side of Angeles City. One thing I observed here for Angeles City, kahit na there are libre doon sa three-point shot, hindi nila ipipilit because it's a risky shot for them, lalo na ngayon na naghahabol sila at the 4 minutes and 43 seconds of our ball game. But John Zita in there, having a full confidence in all of his shots, being and having CJ Delfino back. Estalilia, nice shot there, but no good. After that, he draws a foul. Let's take a look at this pass from CJ Delfino to John Zita. A back-to-back nice play for the side of Level Up Lubao. This is what I'm talking about kanina eh. What if CJ Delfino doesn't go back nung itong fourth quarter eh? For sure, it's a different gameplay for Level Up Lubao. Because the basketball IQ of this guy is very different. Kenji Gonzalez, no good. But a rebound there to the side of Level Up Lubao. Delfino, almost a pass there, pero binabitin siya doon. Paula Quindanum for the rebound. Paula Quindanum. Diniretso niya yan, but a nice pass there to Sam De Jesus. Baloria. Estalilia for three. After a couple of quarters that Kid Estalilia has been quiet. 69-62 after that three-point shot by Kid Estalilia. De La Cruz against Baloria and De Jesus. France De La Cruz. De La Cruz libre, what a layup there, but no good. Estalilia for the rebound. Estalilia, what will he do? And a foul in there. Eman Pangan. So we take a look at this nice pass from Jacob Baloria. And after the moments of being quiet, Kid Estalilia finally draw his three-point shot.
18 seconds on the shot.
This is the time that I can say my experience in the court side when one of the I think it's head coach Dave Gomez of Santa Rosa Lions and Cecilio Lakas Correnta, na luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunity. Because Kid Estalilia knows, hindi yan yung laro niya, hindi siya talaga tumitira sa labas eh. But then, VJ Rojas no good. But then for this crucial minutes, you have to risk it all. When in doubt, shoot. CJ Delfino against VJ Rojas. Franz de la Cruz. Nakapako pa rin sa 69-62. The foul on CJ Delfino. Nagrereklamo pa siya dito kanina sa harap ko kay referee Dennis Escaro. Dead ball daw. Martinez checks in. Estalilia against Delfino. Estalilia. What a hook there, but no good. Paula Quindanum there. Sam De Jesus to Valoria. But 3 seconds violation there. 2 minutes and 13 seconds. Still 69-62 as we can see here. Head coach John Ocampo of Angeles City Red Warriors. Franz de la Cruz against John Martinez with a pushing foul for John Martinez.
His fourth, 14 fouls.
Take a look. 2 minutes and 3 seconds. 69-62. Mga kasinag, SLA Junior World Showcase Philippines is now accepting teams. For interested teams, please send us a letter of intent at sinagasiasports@gmail.com or send us a message through our Facebook page, Sinag Liga Asia. As we are now back at the 2 minutes and 3 seconds remaining for our fourth quarter, 69-62. You can see here earlier, Coach James Allen de la Peña of Level Up LUBAO, CJ Delfino. What will CJ Delfino do? A three-point shot. No good for CJ Delfino. A rebound there for Sam De Jesus. Kid Estalilia. Estalilia against CJ Delfino. VJ Rojas. Kid Estalilia. I think they're going for a three-point shot in here. VJ Rojas. A one-handed. No good. But a foul there. For Pau Laquindanum. This guy has been quiet for this ball game given his performance kagabi against I Love Apalit. As here, you can see here. We can take a look at the replay here. That is Manuel Pangan. After that try steal from Paula Quindanum, paglapag niya, ininda niya na yung left knee niya, I believe. Yes, his right knee. Left knee. I think this is much more a serious injury than what happened to CJ Delfino earlier. Kasi kanina yung Sa baba lang nung ano ni CJ, yung inaano niya parang namitig lang siya. But now, Manuel Pangan. Iniinda niya tong left knee niya eh. And it's not a good sign na hindi niya matayo eh. Two free throws here for Mark Manalang. 1 out of 2 for Mark Manalang. 70 to 62. 8 ang kalamangan ng level up LUBAO with 1 minute and 27 seconds. 2 out of 2 for Mark Manalang. Balik na naman po sa 11 ang lamang dito ng level up LUBAO. Rojas to Lacandanum. Rojas to Pau Lacandanum. Again, a nice pass there. Sam De Jesus. No good. But CJ Delfino. As we can see here, Mayor SB Pineda clapping and cheering for level up LUBAO as we approach the last 1 minute of this fourth quarter. CJ Delfino against Estelilia. Jumper there. But a rebound there for CJ Delfino. Kaabang pa siya doon. But a substitution on the court. 48.9 seconds remaining. A timeout on the floor. 71 to 62. One thing dito naman kay Coach James Allen de la Peña, you know, he called the timeout. Siguro kasi he knows that itong mga crucial seconds nito ng Angeles City, kayang-kaya pa nila yung habulin na given kahapon dito sa ating laro nitong Angeles City against the Apalit. I love it. It's ganyan-ganyan din yung mga sitwasyon nila kahapon. But then there's a reason why this Angeles City Red Warriors is undefeated and on the top seed of their bracket, habang itong level up LUBAO ay nasa 7th standing on the bracket A, same as Angeles City Red Warriors. At kapag nanalo naman dito ang level up LUBAO, aangat sila onto the 6th seed of their bracket. As 2 timeouts left for head coach James de la Peña. And only 1 time left for Angeles City Red Warriors coach John Ocampo. As we are now back here on inbound for Angeles City. You see here CJ Delfino showing his sportsmanship, smiling with his opponents. As we see here, BJ Rojas. What will he do? Rojas draws a foul in there. Lalo't nasa penalty na din. BJ Rojas. 2 free throws for him. First throw is not good for BJ Rojas. Pressure is on the side of Angeles City Red Warriors. As we see here, Mayor SB Pineda. And then sportsman-like foul called against Jomari Naku. Here. Gonzalez. Let's take a look at the replay kung ba't natawagan doon. But there's a foul of BJ Rojas. But after yung second free throw ni BJ Rojas, doon natawagan ng unsportsmanlike foul si John Marinacu dun sa box out. Let's take a look at this. After BJ Rojas, hindi pa nga nababato ni Rojas eh. But then, Nagsiniko. Siniko niya. Itong si Kenji Gonzalez.
Sportsmanlike foul on number 1, Jomari.
And there it is. And sportsmanlike foul to Jomari Naku of Angeles City Red Warriors. If you're a team that is keeping up to make the lead para makahabol kayo dito, it's not one of the calls that you wanted to hear from our referees. First free throw is not good for Kenji Gonzalez. Still no good for Kenji Gonzalez. 36.6 seconds remaining.
14 seconds for shot.
As Coach John Ocampo called a timeout in here. 36.6 seconds remaining. 71-62. .6 seconds remaining. As we can see here, the players of Bayong Porac getting ready for the next game against the Mabalacat. As you can see here, 36.6 seconds remaining. Libreng-libre doon si Kenji Gonzalez. A nice eye for France de la Cruz in there. Naku. No good. CJ Delfino. 19.8 seconds remaining. So you can see here, Mayor Esme Pineda smiling, taking a shot of his winning team. And there you have it. 5 seconds remaining. Mayor Esme Pineda celebrating with a big smile in there. Level up LUBAO gave Angeles City Red Warriors their first ever loss, which makes the standing of Angeles City 7-1. What a great play. Mukha pong mahahabol doon kanina, but then CJ Delfino is there. Bumalik siya for the ball game. And we can see here Coach James De La Peña celebrating in there. 73-62. Level up LUBAO contra Angeles City Red Warriors. Now the standing of Level up LUBAO is now 4-3 as I am here with the best player of the game, Mark Manalang from Level up LUBAO. Mark, coming nung nawala si CJ Delfino, ano ba yung naging mindset ninyo?
Sinabi ng coach mag-step up kami kasi nagano si CJ na ano yung pa.
So yung standing niyo nasa pang 7 seed kayo at itong Angeles City Red Warriors ay pang number 1, but kayo ang nagbigay ng unang talo for Angeles City Red Warriors. Ano ang dapat pa naming abangan para sa team ng Level Up LUBAO?
Mag-extra training pa po kami para mag-step up pa po kami sa standing.
Now, Mark, I will give you the chance para batiin yung mga family, friends, and lahat ng mga supporters din ng Level Up LUBAO na nanonood sa ating mga streaming platforms.
Nagpapasalamat po kay Mayor Esme, kay Vice Mayor Jay Montemayor, tapos sa mga Coach Melton, kay Coach Bert, kay Boss Marty, kay Boss Mark Domingo, saka sa pamilya ko dyan sa Concepcion, LUBAO.
Once again, Mark, congratulations to you and to the whole Level Up LUBAO. Sobra din yung naging motivation ninyo dahil nandyan si Mayor Esme Pineda para sumuporta sa inyo. Once again, 73-62. LUBAO, Level Up LUBAO won against Angeles City Red Warriors. And for our next game, Mabalacat City MCG Cares kontra Bayong Porac. And here, take a look at this. Once again, this is Penelope Wilhelmina. And in behalf of Direct Nomar Santiago, Direct Mike Nanad, and the rest of the hardworking team for this 2023 to 2024 Delta Cup, I am saying thank you and see you later.